The automotive industry is a complex and fascinating world where precision, efficiency, and quality are essential. Behind every vehicle that rolls off the production line, there is a perfect synergy of technology and human talent. Today, we will show you how some of the best products from leading brands in industrial automation are used to optimize production in a cutting-edge automotive factory. In the automotive industry, efficiency, precision, and safety are crucial. Let's start by seeing how Cinco's and Controlino make efficient control and monitoring possible. Cinco's industrial computers, like the DS4002 model, oversee the assembly line in real time. Their ability to connect to multiple sensors and perform instant analysis allows you for quick and precise decision-making. Controlino, with its programmable PLC controllers, offers flexibility and complete control over manufacturing processes. These PLCs can be programmed with Arduino IDE, Logic.CAD, and more, ensuring easy integration and adaptability to the plant's specific needs. To enhance efficiency, we use the OEE system from Oak Industries. This IoT-based system monitors machine performance, identifying areas for improvement and reducing unplanned downtime. Thanks to real-time analysis capabilities, operators can make informed decisions quickly, optimizing the overall performance of the plant. Precision in measurement is fundamental. Load cells and sensors from FUTEC provide accurate data on the force and pressure applied, essential for maintaining component quality and optimizing assembly processes. Zoom robots and ForwardX transport system are essential for internal logistics. Zoom robots perform precise and repetitive assemblies, while ForwardX systems ensure that components and finished products move efficiently within the plant. Additionally, the Qualcomm Aware Tracker enables real-time tracking of equipment and materials within the plant, improving inventory management and logistics, and ensuring that everything is in the right place at the right time. For more information, visit our website and follow us on our social media channels. See you next time!